Hey everyone, so I posted a review of this book and I think the first comments that I got were kind of wishes for all kinds of things that weren't in the video. So anyway, the reason that I didn't like flip through it, I don't know, I always have an issue with, you know, it's not my book, and yeah, I feel kind of like I don't want to kind of give away what's in the book, you know what I mean? But I guess I can show you a few pages, and of course you can go to Amazon and they have a look inside the book. But anyway, I was saying this book is super pretty. So here are the contents, and then the first chapter goes through the tools and supplies that she recommends, and then different paints, different mediums, different substrates, and then it goes into the marks. That's chapter number 2. So there are all kinds of tutorials on making marks. You can see this is most of the book is step-by-step. I did do this one with carving stamps. That was fun. And I also did the very first one, which is pretty straightforward. And you can see those, my finished projects, in the other video. Then we have chapter 3, The Art, A Home for Your Marks. So this is kind of more techniques, and I guess it's just a little bit more complicated projects with kind of more steps to them. Again, mostly this is like a step-by-step book. And then what did I do here? I did the masking fluid. I'm not sure in which chapter that is, but yeah. And then chapter 4 is projects, ideas for putting it all together. So she suggests all kind of different things, like doing small canvases, and then it's just so beautiful to look at. The photos are really enticing and lovely. And then yeah, just different, this is like different projects. This is hybrid hoop art, so something a little bit different, and looks really fun, combining things with stitching. And then a large canvas and some tips on that. So I hope this gave you a bit of an idea on how this book looks on the inside. This is another, no, I didn't do this tutorial. Anyway, yeah, different ideas, lots of fun techniques, nothing too crazy complicated, I feel, in my opinion. And yeah, as I said in my other video, very inspiring. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.